My name's Brad, from South Birmingham. Been on the academy just over 14 months now, so I'm my second year. The academy has been really great. Lots of networking, lots of investors, and yeah, lots of potential to carry on and expanding what I've already got going on. Since I joined the academy, I've done 10 flips and looking to do 10 more before the end of the year. So it's all going well. That's within 14 months, yeah. Roughly 170 grand. Yeah. Just flips, and more flips. First time buyer market, because they sell a lot faster. Try not to go too high end because you don't want it sitting around for too long. I run a plumbing, heating, and electrical business before, so I had trade experience. So I've just leveraged that experience into the property investing, which has helped me grow exponentially. Really, I didn't own any properties before. Well, I brought one at auction just before I joined, and then it completed when I joined the academy. So all the properties that I've owned are from when I've been part of the academy. Yeah. Great, really good, lots of energy. Best in the business, to be honest. Best. He's created the best environment you're ever going to get compared to any other training courses or products that other people sell. So yeah. Networking. Your network is your net worth, and there's no better environment than this in regards to networking. So investors, people with deals, people who are just starting can leverage other people's experiences. So if you want to get to where you want to get to faster, you got to put yourself around people that are already doing it.